Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday, and what I like to do on Sundays is a simple question and answer. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to answer a bunch of questions about affiliate marketing from complete beginners. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I've been pretty successful on the internet, and I want to share that information to you. So what we do here is I have a conversation with you. We're talking as if I'm just talking to my younger self or someone that's getting started. As you can see, I'm down by the lake. I'm not in my office. But I want to give you the tips, tricks, and tactics of someone that has been successful with affiliate marketing and digital products, and I'm going to share that with you. Now, disclaimer, if you are looking for hype, this is not the right channel for you. I want to give you real information, actionable information that you can take and actually implement and find success. If you're looking for hype, there are tons of other channels that will give you hype and no substance. This is substance and very little hype. Also, this is kind of like a stream of consciousness. Things that I think about as I'm having a conversation with you will just pop up, and they're going to be important. They'll be relevant, and so make sure you watch the entire video, or not. Do whatever, I guess. So go ahead, number one. What exactly is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Affiliate marketing in general, is just making a audience aware that you have a solution to their problems. That's all we're doing, okay? Don't overcomplicate it. People have problems, good problems, bad problems. Getting married is a good problem. Having kids is a good problem. However, they don't know or may not be fully aware of all of the solutions to the problem that they have. And so that's all we're doing. And the way that we're doing it is we're creating content to make them aware that there is a solution. And it works very simply, very easily like this. We find affiliate programs. There are over 12,000 affiliate programs out there. And we apply to them. Once we apply and we get accepted, we get a unique URL or website link, or it's called an affiliate link. And we can put this affiliate link strategically around the internet, and people click on our link and buy. That's it. That's all we're doing. We're creating content to attract people to us, a specific group of people. Do I need a website to start affiliate marketing, or can I do it through social media? Yes, you can do it through social media. The one caveat to that is some affiliate programs will want to see that you have a website, and so you might need to do that. But like I said, there are over 12,000 affiliate programs out there. You should be able to find 10 or 15 of them that don't care if you have a website or not. But one of the great places to market is through social media, because you can market faster. 10, 15 years ago, it was either a YouTube or a blog. No, not even 10 years ago, maybe like 7, 8 years ago. It was either a YouTube or a blog. You don't have to do that anymore. It can just be through Instagram or TikTok or Twitter. Twitter's a little bit more challenging, but you can do it through Twitter. Let's see. How do I find affiliate programs to join? There's probably 3 or 4 ways, and I'm gonna start walking because I am cold. There are 3 or 4 ways that you can find affiliate programs. One is to type in your niche in Google and then type in affiliate programs after. So like pet affiliate program or wedding affiliate program. Another way is to go to your favorite big box store. So Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Target, Ulta Beauty, and look all the way at the bottom of the screen and type in affiliate program afterward. You can also go to what's called affiliate networks. So you could go to a website like Commission Junction or CJ.com, and you can search by your niche that way. A simple way that you could get started is go over to ChatGPT and say, my niche is blank. My niche is weddings. Can you give me the top 20 best affiliate programs for weddings? Easiest way to do that. Is affiliate marketing free to start, or do I need money up front? It is technically free to start, but I think if you want to scale, you're definitely going to need some money. And you don't even have to spend money on advertising. You would simply just need money for email marketing, because that's going to be the real way to make life-changing income. You can start affiliate marketing for free and then reinvest later. But if you want to scale, you need to do email marketing. But yes, you can definitely start for free. What's the difference between high ticket and low ticket affiliate products? So I think there's a couple differences. The first difference is the cost of the product itself. With low ticket affiliate products, the cost is usually less than $500 or $1,000. And it's more of a impulse buy. With low ticket, with stuff that's cheaper, there's less consultation involved. Like, I don't have to consult with my wife if I want to buy a pencil or a ruler. However, if I wanted to buy a $5,000 course or a boat, I would have to, most likely, I would need to consult with somebody. Morning. I would need to consult with somebody to make sure it's an okay purchase or an investment. That's the difference. But with low ticket affiliate marketing, it's lower commissions. So if for example, I'm promoting a pencil, the pencil itself is going to cost $5 and the commission might be 3% of that. And so you're going to be making pennies. However, with high ticket affiliate marketing, you're going to be making $500 or $1,000 or more. So for you, for the affiliate marketer, it's the amount of money that you can make at one time. Usually physical products are going to be, in most instances, physical products are going to be lower commission unless you're selling a boat, promoting a boat. Digital products can usually be higher commission because there's less overhead. There's less people with their hands out and all that essence with that. Anyway, let's see. How do I actually get people to click on my affiliate links? This is a really good question. And it's really important that you've got to build trust. And I don't think that is talked about enough. People will buy from you if they know, like, and trust you enough. And there's a few ways to build it. People perceive you as being honest if you consistently create content, and you need to have a call to action. And your content has to be average or better. A lot of people will put out shit content and then wonder why nobody's buying from them. Ask yourself, would you buy from you? And if you would not buy from you, chances are that there's a high probability that nobody else is going to buy from you either, and that's why nobody has purchased from you. But the best thing that you can do is be authentic, or at least appear to be authentic. Be consistent. So if you show up every single day and you keep showing up in somebody's feed on the For You page, they will tend to trust you and they're going to say, I got to learn more about this guy. I keep seeing him everywhere I go and I need to learn more. I need to know what he's doing and talking about and saying. And then that's how you get people to click on your links. And make sure you have a call to action, because most people are dumb. And if you don't tell them to do something, they won't do it. But not you. You guys aren't dumb. You're here listening to good information. Not dumb at all. Let's see. Do I need to show my face or can I stay anonymous? This is the probably number one question that people ask. Can I show my face? Or can I be anonymous? You can certainly do faceless affiliate marketing. Lots of people have done it. I think it's just harder to do. It's harder because it's harder to build trust. Like, you're here because you can see my face and you can see me talking. It's part of the reason why AI advertisers are so powerful, because it's getting more and more difficult to tell the difference between someone that is real and someone that isn't, right? But people trust faces 100% more. And so what you're going to do, if you want to do faceless, you need to get more views. You need to get more attention and more eyeballs, and the conversions even still might be a little bit lower. People will look at you in your face if you're doing, branded content. They'll say, "Oh, he looks trust." People have said he looks trustworthy. Between the voice inflection and the seriousness of my face, they say he looks trustworthy. He looks like a guy I could trust, and if he's telling me to go buy this widget, let me see, right? But you can certainly do it faceless. It's what I would tell you to do is do your first affiliate marketing journey with your face on camera, and then once you're successful with that, then do faceless. You can do both, or start one channel with your face and then another channel without showing your face. And I never understand why people don't want to show their face. People will say like my employer, my family, but you know, your employer, what problem will your employer have? You're not, I mean, just don't create content within that niche, I guess. Your employer, unless you've signed an NDA or a very strict no social media clause, I don't understand. Because it's not a second job, especially when you first get started because you're not getting paid for it. If you're still here and your employer has come and you claim that your employer wouldn't want you to do it, comment why. Because I'm always really interested to know. In fact, my first entrance into affiliate marketing, I did it while I was at work. Maybe that's the concern. They don't want you doing it while you're at work. But I mean, if you're working 8 hours a day, you still have 16 hours of free time to do what you want. Let me know in the comment section. I'd be interested to know. How do I know which products are worth promoting? What I would do is I would look at the reviews, one, and two, promote products that you use. Like this DJI Osmos 3, I use it every day, almost every day. And because I use it so frequently, I know the strengths and weaknesses. I know that if I want to stop recording, I've got to press the record button, or instead if I flip, because there's a little screen here where I can see myself, if I flip the screen, it doesn't save the recording. I found that out the hard way. I know about the different settings because I played with it. And I know that you can connect this microphone, which is a Rode microphone, to a DJI camera and not have any issues. Promote products. There are so many products out there. There's so many people out there. There's 4 billion people that have access to the internet. You don't have to go reaching to find products to promote. Promote products that you already use. It'll be simple, it'll be easy. You already got it lying around. And so you don't have to fake it till you make it. You can just talk about like this phone here. I use this phone 3 billion times per day. I could promote this phone or the case that goes around it. I don't have to go reaching and, try and promote stuff that I don't really know. That's a simple way to do it. Also, you can look at customer reviews, find products that have like a 4.5-star review. You can summarize the reviews that people are having. I'm feeling a little discomfort right now. I wonder what that is. Anyway, yeah. Number 9, how do affiliate marketers actually get paid? So you can get paid by direct deposit. You can get paid like into your checking or savings account. You can get paid through like PayPal, Payoneer, Wise. And I think they stopped doing this for the most part, but you could actually get physical checks in the mail too. However, one of the drawbacks with affiliate marketing is that you don't get paid right away. For most companies, you don't get paid immediately. Sometimes they'll do like a net 45, a net 60, a net 90, where they'll pay you 45 days after the commission date is closed. So that can be 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. And then the other thing too is some companies will have a minimum payment threshold. For example, like Amazon, they'll have a minimum payment threshold of $100. And so if you've only made $90 with affiliate marketing, they won't pay you out. But that's how you get paid. You can get paid direct deposit, PayPal, maybe even Stripe. I don't think I've ever gotten an affiliate marketing payment through Stripe, but that might be an option as well. How long does it usually take to make my first commission? Really all depends. Every situation is completely different. Depends on how you're promoting it. It depends on how good you are at creating content, how consistent you are. It can take 3 weeks. If you're like on TikTok and you already have kind of a small following, it can take 6 months if you're blogging. It can take even longer if you're not making good content. If you're just throwing up shit content and expecting people to just click and buy, it'll take you longer until you figure out that you've got to put up decent content. So if you guys have more questions about affiliate marketing, comment down below. I would be happy to answer them. If not, you guys have a great day.